why eating beef is bad for our environment. Everybody knows that burning of fossil fuels is the biggest reason of climate change. Cars, trucks, and power plants are the major pollutants. Right? No, that's not true. A significant reason for climate change is eating meat, particularly beef. Are you shocked? Okay, let's explain how. Animal agriculture and its byproducts account for 15% of global emissions. There are about 1.5 billion cows on Earth. Each cow emits 250 liters of methane every day as they digest their food. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas trapping 25 times more heat in our atmosphere than CO2. According to UN's Food and Agricultural Organization, this process, called enteric fermentation, generated 39% of all livestock emissions in 2013. Almost a quarter of the world's arable land is used to grow feed for this livestock, including soybean and corn. Fertilizers used for this contribute to nitrogen oxides emissions besides the loss of forests to clear land. This contributes another 21% of emissions. The manure produced by these animals runs into millions of tons and produces 26% of emissions, mostly nitrogen oxides. The remaining 14% are generated from various energy uses such as transportation and processing, and from land use changes like deforestation to provide for growing feed. There is also the question of fresh water. Did you know that to produce just 1 kilogram of beef, one needs 15,000 liters of water? So how can we solve this massive problem? Simply put, we can eat a lot less meat and dairy. Every acre of land gives us a choice. We can either use it to make 100 kilograms of meat or 1,000 quintals of plant-based food. A person who follows a vegan diet, which means no consumption of meat and dairy, produces 50% less CO2. He also uses just 1/11 of oil, 1/13th amount of water, and 1/80th of land compared to a meat eater. Of course, going completely vegan is hard, but by becoming more aware about the cost of meat to our environment, one can at least try to cut down on the amount of animal product consumption. Besides, you are helping reduce inhuman treatment of animals. A small step for your diet is a big step for the planet Earth.